Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Chromebook model and whether it supports developer mode, because that unlocks deeper control. Next, back up everything to cloud or external drive so you can restore files later. Once done, download the installer image and make a bootable USB of Linux or Windows on a separate PC. Use 8 GB or larger media. You'll also gather a USB keyboard or OTG adapter. These first actions prepare the device so you can safely modify firmware and boot priorities. You'll enable USB boot in the firmware or through the developer shell so the Chromebook will read your installer. Then, plug in the USB and reboot to the installer. Select manual partitioning if you want dual boot or full replacement, and resize Chrome OS partitions carefully. During installation, make sure to install hardware drivers for Wi-Fi, touchpad, and GPU, often via the terminal or vendor packages, because without them peripherals won't work. Once the OS is installed, update packages and install essential utilities for stability. You finish by tailoring firmware settings, either restore stock ROM or lock secure boot, so the system boots reliably. Then restore your backed up data, reinstall applications, and run full system updates to capture security patches. If something goes wrong, check system logs and demask for hardware errors, reflash firmware cautiously, or use the recovery USB you created earlier to restore a clean state. Make sure to document changes so you can undo steps. Having a second device to research fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.